All right, so I want to talk to you real quick about the Nerf Elite Dart Refill. I got these because you can never have enough of these Nerf darts. They always seem to go missing. Also, when you're having a big Nerf war with people, you need plenty of darts. So I got these to go with my Nerf Elite Ace SD1. This is one of my favorite little Nerf blasters. Shoots super hard, very accurate, super easy to use. But as you can see, since it's a single shot and then you have the kind of storage for one other, you need lots of other darts. So that's where these refill packs come in super handy. I've got it, just here in a gallon Ziploc bag. But you get all of these nice Elite darts in the cool dark blue with orange tip color scheme. And these things work super well. They shoot super nicely. Nice soft rubber tip so it doesn't hurt too much, which is always important. But yeah, so you always need more darts, and that's why you need these refill packs, because you don't want to just keep buying blasters to get more darts. You want to just get a whole bunch of darts, and so that's where these refill packs come in handy. So definitely check them out. Make sure that you have plenty for your next Nerf war.